Hello everyone, welcome to the lecture series videos of hydraulics and pneumatics. In the previous lecture video, we have discussed about the basic components for both hydraulics and pneumatics, which is used in the fluid power systems. In that basic components, we have discussed about reservoir, then pump or compressor, control valves, pipings, and finally we have a actuator. So actuator, we can say it is an end effector which is used to produce a mechanical force for the for doing any kind of application. So the actuator is a machine which converts hydraulic energy into mechanical energy. It just does the reversal operation of the pump or compressor. So be aware of pump or compressor which converts mechanical energy into hydraulic energy or fluid pressure energy. Where here the actuators are converted into hydraulic energy or fluid pressure energy into mechanical energy. There are various types of actuators are there according to the motion which can be categorized into different types and which has different constructions also we have discussed in the upcoming slides. So simply we can say the actuator it is uh, it is used in hydraulic system for transmitting power. It may be a linear or rotary motion. So usually we know that the pump is driven by means of a prime mover such as an electric motor or an IC engine which creates a fluid of flow. So the actuator is used to convert that fluid flow energy or the pressure energy of the fluid back into the mechanical power. The amount of power developed in the actuator is depends upon various parameters of the fluids such as flow rate, pressure, drop across the actuators, and its overall efficiency. The overall efficiency of the actuator is depends upon not only the fluid parameters and also the construction and operating behavior of the actuator. Then coming to the actuators, uh, it, there are different types of actuators, like linear actuator and rotary actuator, finally oscillatory actuator based on the depends of depends of motion produced in the actuator. So here, linear actuator is an mechanical uh, motion produces linearly, depends upon the stroke length or the displacement of the cylinder, which usually we can call it as cylinder or ram in the case of single acting cylinder, or in the case of jacks, we can say cylinder. Then common types of linear actuators are single acting cylinder and double acting cylinder based on the motion produced by means of fluid. For example, if we use a cylinder for extension, fluid power we are using for extension, and retraction can be accomplished with the help of either gravity or spring force, then it is called a single acting cylinder. If there's a hydraulic cylinder which produces motion for extension and retraction based on the fluid pressure, not we are depending upon depends on either gravity or spring force, then it is called the double acting cylinder. Then apart from that, for the typical applications, we have special types of actuators also. That that is the examples are the plunger or ram type of cylinder, telescopic cylinder, cable, diaphragm, bellow, tandem, tube. The upcoming presentations and upcoming lecture series We will have a detailed discussion about these cylinders, construction, and working. The second classification is about the rotary actuators, or also called as hydraulic motors or pneumatic motors, depends on the types of motor and types of fluid is used in the system. So, which it produces continuous rotary motion. Pump shaft is rotated to generate flow. A motor shaft is caused to rotate by fluid being forced into the driving chamber. So the fluids are forced into the driving chambers of the motor, which tends to run the blades or mechanical member of the motor. Finally, we can get the rotary motion. If the motion is not full continuous, it is less than 360 degree, such type of actuators are called semi-rotary actuators or oscillatory actuators. So the motion is non-continuous rotary motion or limited than the one revolution. It is nothing but less than 360 degrees. So it is used to produce oscillatory motion in several mechanisms of the measurement. This is the brief about the classification of the actuator. And here I have listed the references for this content. Fluid Power by Anthony Esposito, years in publication, the year of 2003. Second reference is Fluid Mechanics and Hydraulic Machines by Dr. Bensa, published by Lakshmi Publication in 2021. So I hope this uh, video gives insight about actuators and its classifications, how the actuators or actuation motion can be done, how the energy conversions will takes place in the actuators and its classifications of actuators. Thanks for watching this